the segment, can we have that on the screen? Banking CIO of the Year. And here comes the envelope. And the winner is Prashant.
An award goes to Unity Small Finance Bank, Mr. V. Vaidyanathan.
Congratulations to Mr. V. Vaidyanathan from Unity Small Finance Bank Limited, Banking CIO of the Year. Congratulations and few words from the winner.
Yeah, I think even though it's an individual award, this goes to my team, which is sitting in the back and clapping hard. And I think thank you to them. We are a very new digital age bank, and but technology is the only way we can make a big difference. And this is the 4th award in 4 months. So more to come. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again to Mr. V. Vaidyanathan, very well deserved Banking CIO of the Year.